Manager, since PEEK has such good fluidity and high thermal decomposition temperature, which processing method is better? Can you tell me?
Extrusion, injection molding, compression molding, and spraying are all acceptable. There is no better processing method, only the more suitable processing method for extrusion molding. Whether it's profiles, bars, pipes, profiles, it is all suitable. Precise control of cutting by single screw extruder. Mold, blessing, heat shaping. You can make very good extruded parts. In the injection molding process, the most common is to make PEEK gears. The material enters the screw through the hopper, then hold pressure, stabilize, and cool to form. Once the thickness exceeds 25 millimeters, it is very easy to appear air holes.
What about grinding and spraying?
Grinding is a processing method that uses PEEK powder as a substrate raw material. In the production process of our arc PEEK, the range of grades we usually use is 550 PF 150 to 300 mesh and 770 PF 100 to 300 mesh. After the material is dried, fill mold, cold press star. Heat it in the mold drying oven. Hot pressing and cooling simultaneously. Cool it to about 150 degrees Celsius. After it comes out, it is a rough piece, waiting for subsequent precision processing. The spraying process. It is to spray PEEK on some surfaces that need anti-corrosion coatings to achieve wear resistance and high temperature resistance and improve the service life. The surface of the product needs to be cleaned during the spraying process. High mesh spraying, more delicate, smooth surface, and no grainy feeling.